NodeJS tutorial for beginner. Today I will show the example of NodeJS with MongoDB multiple document insert. So how we can insert multiple document in a collection. So at first we need to define the document array. Suppose customer documents. That is the array. In this array we can set the document, suppose name, company name, Google Inc, address USA, California, and this is the one document. And if we define the second document, then use the comma for separator and use the name, suppose Nokia, address Canada, name Samsung Inc, address Samsung Inc, address name China, so here is the array object. Now we will insert this array object into our target collection. So this is the multiple document. So how we can insert? dbo dot collection customer dot insert. Where is the array? Customer, and then callback function, the docs if error, then show return console dot error if else console.log. So the multiple documents inserted successfully to customer collection. So now we will run our project. Node index.js. So here they are showing multiple document insert successfully to customer collection. So now we will see the document in MongoDB Compass UI tool. So here is the showing the fourth document. This is the first document we have inserted previous, and this is the second document, third, fourth document. To show here is the showing the fourth document in customer collection. So in this section we have show the how we can insert multiple document in collection. Thank you so much.